As you guys can see, I got my box of crayon stuff, and baby, I've been waiting for you. Like, I've been waiting to come home to you so I can show you how much I love you. So I'm just taking the red shade and applying that to my crease, and I'm going to take it a little bit above my crease. And then after applying the red shade, I'm going to go in with the yellow. Just going to take the same brush and I'm going to blend out that yellow. And now I'm just gonna blend out this red and blend it into the yellow. Now I'm gonna pack on this black. Apply a little bit of red and blend out that black. And I'm gonna try to keep it in the place that it's in, so I'm not trying to bring it up or anything too far. Stop the track, let me stay fast. Told you give me a minute and I'll be right back. I'm gonna add the yellow in my inner corner. I'm salty as fuck right now because half of the stuff I did not get on camera, but baby girl, I am not about to do it over because it wasn't nothing too special. So all I did was I left a little space when applying the yellow and the red, and then I added brown back here instead of black, and I just carved it out where I left the space and some concealer using this Morphe brush, and it's a M250-0. It's just like a very skinny brush. So I used that, and then I used like a eyebrow type of brush to set it with the tan shade from the Box of Crayons palette. And for my eyes, I used the same base that I used on my lid, right? Which was different because your girl always do her face before she do the bottom or whatever. So then I just applied the red first, and then I applied the yellow, blend it together. And then I'm just using this smudge brush from e.l.f. and I'm touching up on that brown. Okay, so this color is really not showing up like I want it to. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply something here just so it won't crease or, you know, create any type of weird... I don't want nothing going wrong right here. So I'm just going to set it with this white eyeshadow, and then I'm going to do my lashes and my eyebrows off camera, and I will come back and we'll start my face. I'm going to keep my face really, really simple because I want to see what this highlight be like for real, baby. Because when I swatched it, it was life. And I just know I'm about to go for the gods. And I want to give all credit to this, okay? I'm just going to simply go in with the MAC Prep and Prime. I'm going to be mixing these two foundations, the Can't Stop, Won't Stop in the shade Nutmeg, which is too light. And then the Super Stay Better Skin, which is a shade too dark. And this is Almond. Okay, before I do anything else, I'm just gonna touch up on this yellow. I'm gonna highlight and conceal using my Revolution concealer in the shade C12. I'm really gonna try to avoid, you know, this yellow again. Wish me luck. It feels so weird not to be blending directly underneath my eye, because of course that's where I crease the most, so I feel like, okay, you need to blend the hell out of it and hurry up and set it before you start creasing. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with the Crayoncase chalk dust, and I grabbed the shade C. That's petty. Why I gotta have a C? How come I couldn't be like a B or something? At least. My mama used to whoop my ass when I got C's. Okay? Like, literally whoop my ass when I got C's. She did not play that shit. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna set my face using the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in the shade 355. I'm gonna bronze using my Lancome. I really like this setting powder because I feel like it has like a flesh tone type of color to it. After I put it on, it's not like super white. It's like it's kind of pinkish in a way. So I'm really liking it. Y'all. I'm gonna use the contour shade from my Black Radiance contour palette in the you act like I just got a been the #1 diva in this game for I'm gonna add black to my waterline. Lip brush, but I'm gonna use it for my inner corners like I always do, and I'm gonna go back into that white shade from the Box of Crayons palette, and I'm gonna see if it turns out better now that my whole face is done. I'm gonna take this Kat Von D lipstick in the shade Crucifix. This red by NYX in my inner part of my lips. It looked like I ate some Kool-Aid. We're about to go ahead and add this highlight, y'all. And it is, I believe it's, yep, Honor Roll, the Honor Roll highlighter. Even though my chalk was a C, still Honor Roll. Okay. Before I do that, I'm just gonna set my face with my Morphe setting mist. I've actually told myself that I was gonna stop using this in my videos if I wasn't going nowhere, but you know, I'm feeling kind of special and stuff with this, so I'm just gonna use it. Yeah, it's so pretty. Like, I'm not gonna say anything. I'm gonna just let y'all watch. Oh, like I know you see me glowing, baby. Girl, I'm about to get carried away. Like, I need to put it down. I need to put it down. Okay, look at this, you guys. Okay. So this is my finished look, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video because I really enjoyed playing in the makeup. You guys, I am gonna change my lips up because I just feel like it looks like I ate some Kool-Aid and I'm not really feeling it. So I'm just gonna take that lipstick and put it all over. In the center of that, I'm just gonna take this NYX lingerie in the shade Satin Ribbon. I don't know why I always want to say Robin, but it's Ribbon.
Been the #1 diva in this game for a minute.